Yo guys, in today's video I will show you how to add blank screen in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project. Click on Import button and select video to which you want to add a black screen. Drag and drop your video onto timeline. Use slider or playhead to navigate to the frame where you want to add black screen. Click on Split button at the toolbar above the timeline. You can also press shortcut Ctrl B or Command B to split video at the current playhead position. Turn off auto snapping and drag magnet. This allows you to freely move and position clips without automatic snapping. Drag split portion of video away to create gap. This gap will act as black screen. If needed, adjust duration of black screen by dragging edges of gap. Now play your video to ensure that black screen is inserted at the desired position. If you want, turn snapping back on the other edits. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.